I am so excited to begin morphology with you. Morphology is, we learn it with flashcards. It's basically remembering things because morphology is a study of words and how they're formed and kind of how they work with the other words in the same language. So let's look at our first one. Tella. When I say this, or when you see these green cards, your job is going to be to say them. So I'll say it first and you can repeat after me. Tella. Good. Now, Tella is considered a prefix because it goes at the beginning of a word. Tella means far. So let's go back. Say Tella, far. Very good. Now let's look at the example. Telescope. Now, I know when we use a telescope, you're typically using it to see something far away. Here's where morphology gets cool. Tella means far. Knowing that Tella means far helps us solve words that we don't necessarily know right off the bat. Words that are big and long and take a while to sound out. This is going to help us understand the meaning of those words. Let's do the next one. Fawn Phone. Now, some of you may be thinking, I know what a phone is, but this is the morphology of it. This is the true meaning of this word. Sound. So when we're thinking about fawn and phone, our first thought is going to be sound. Now, let's look at an example. The example is telephone. Oh, well, we just learned that tele means far and phone means sound. So, telephone literally means far sound. Doesn't that make a lot of sense? Because when you use a telephone, you're typically wanting your sound to travel far. Now, we're going to be adding more prefixes and suffixes and root words to our morphology flashcards every week. We'll go quickly for this last time, and I can't wait to see how quick you can do these. Tella, far. Example, telescope. Fawn phone. Sound. Example, telephone. Can't wait to teach you more about this next week.